Wagwan people, Wagwan tea sippers, Wagwan me generals. How are you all doing today? I hope you're feeling good. I hope you're feeling IRIE as we have another pick a card reading for you today. Yes, darling. Yes, honey. In today's pick a card reading, we are exploring Blunt AF, their exact thoughts and feelings for you right now. But we are looking heavily through what they tell others, okay? How they view you. So get your tea, get your water, get your snacks, because we are in for a juicy ride. Ooh la la, keeping it clean and classy. Hey. Eternity. T-Sippers, eternity. T-Sippers, eternity. Welcome, welcome, welcome T-Sippers, yeah. So we have pile 1, pile 2, and pile 3. We are exploring Blunt AF, their exact thoughts and feelings for you right now. We are focusing heavily on how they view you, what do they tell others, okay? And we're going to give a shout out to Pink Spirit as well, okay? One of our intuitive tea sippers. So big up, big up, big up, big up every time. And big up all of the intuitive tea sippers and all the viewers, okay? Big up yourselves every time, okay? So we're going to see what wants to unfold, what wants to come through in the reads today. So I hope you have some, like a nice cup of tea or some water or some juice to help you stay hydrated, okay, as we gather these intuitive gems. I'm sipping on some red bush tea and some water. So we're going to see Wagwan, and Wagwan simply means in Jamaican patois, what is going on, okay, or what's up. This is what we are going to be looking into in today's read. But before we begin, we like to bring in good gratitude energy to start the reads, okay? So, thank you, universe. Thank you, spirit guides. Thank you, guardian angels. Thank you, ancestors, for the messages we're about to receive in today's reads. Blunt AF, their exact thoughts and feelings for you right now. May these messages resonate with the collective so they can use these messages to strengthen their own intuition, empower them, make them incorporate self-love, healing, and always using their discernment every time. Thank you, thank you, thank you. So we have pile 1, we have pile 2, and we have pile 3. Now go to that number that's calling you, and if you are feeling like I want to go and have a look in each pile and take what resonates and leave the rest, feel free to do so as well, okay? We are very flexible here. So if you haven't done so already, please like, subscribe, share and comment down below, okay? Because we are in for a juicy one. We'll see you on the other side. Wagwan. Wagwan people, Wagwan tea sippers, Wagwan mid generals. So we are on pile 1 and we're exploring Blunt AF, their exact thoughts and feelings for you right now, okay? And we're exploring heavily what they tell others, okay, and how they view you, okay, what comes to mind when they think, when they feel, okay. Ooh la la. So if you are new here, big up, hey, big up yourselves. And to our subscribers, to our intuitive tea sippers, our intuitive tea sipper generals. Hey, big up, big up, big up, big up. Hey, big up, big up, big up, big up. We're gonna do the bogle dance. Big up, big up, big up, big up, big up, big up. Hey, hey. Welcome, welcome to Gwan Tarot. Okay, much love and blessings from your favorite Jamaican auntie, Auntie T. Okay, so big up, big up, big up, big up, big up. Okay, so Wagwan simply means in Jamaican patois, okay, what is going on or what's up, and that what's up, and that's what we are doing today. We are exploring the cards today for pile one. Now we might have the energy of number one in the cards. Okay, one represents the energy of new beginnings, new opportunities, reconciliation energy. So we're gonna see Gwan, what's going on, what's up. Okay, we had the energy of sunshine, sunshine, sunshine. So they could view, this person could view you as like a ray of like sun, a ray of sunshine, light. That could be your aura, your energy, your vibe. Okay, the vibe that you, the song that's coming through. Okay, it's R. Kelly that's coming through. You've got that vibe. Okay, want to leave it there, okay? But this is very much about your energy, okay? Oh, and a little bit of housewarming. I hope you've got a nice cup of tea or a beverage of your choice, okay? As we get into these reads, okay? I'm sipping on red bush tea and some water. So from time to time, we will have an intuitive sip, okay? You may also hear some singing from time to time, or you may hear oi, 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 oi. Okay, now when you hear that, that's just a way of those downloads really coming through. Now, whoa, or woi, woi, oi, okay, woi, oi, okay, is essentially like a Jamaican kind of like, it's like a bit of like a wailing sound that you to emphasize like whoa, okay, wow, oh my gosh, that kind of, okay, it's equivalent to oh my gosh, okay, but I like to do it in a singy way, okay, so just to connect with those downloads, okay, so big up, big up, big up yourselves. All right, so we have the energy of regret over silence. So someone has some regrets here on how they dealt with the situation, how they've communicated with you. Now we are exploring blunt AF, their exact thoughts and feelings, okay, for you right now. So it feels like there's something about talking, communicating, regret not talking things through, okay? Regret over silence. Now this could be maybe someone, whether it's a current love interest, it could be someone that you're in separation with. It feels very much like there's a lot of things that this person wants to say, okay? Perhaps this person, there could be like a stubborn energy going on, okay? Perhaps the two of you may have mirrored, okay? Maybe there could have been an on and off situation here, but it feels like like someone's looking back and going, like, I should have said this, I should have said that. Perhaps I never said enough. Perhaps you've the information has kind of gone a bit misconstrued somewhere. It's like it's gone. It feels like instead of going straight, it's kind of interwoven like a fabric okay, or like a knot in a fabric. That's what's coming through, okay. Now, it feels like there is a strong energy of like let's to explore accountability here, okay. So we're going to explore, let's see what wants to come through for accountability. We're using the accountability deck. Let's see what wants to come through for blunt AF, the exact thoughts and feelings for you right now. Ooh, we do have some messages here. So we have, I explain to others how my actions have consequences that extend beyond us. So they're explaining to others. They may not, even if they haven't explained to you, they could be sharing, like looking back, being very reflective on how they dealt with things, okay? I share how much I've learned about myself since we parted ways. So again, it could be someone that you're in separation with. It could be someone that maybe there has been, like, you know, feelings between the two of you. But then again, this energy of it not being always communicated clearly, okay? Perhaps you sensing, them sensing, but then it feels like, you know what we were saying earlier, like, think of like a piece of fabric or a piece of string. It's not in line, it's kind of interwoven, okay? So it's like you have to dissect or pull it apart to then get a clear sense of what this person is trying to say. That's what's really coming through, okay? We also have, ultimately, I hope we can reach a mutual understanding about what happened between us. So what happened between us, okay? Now, focusing on the word growth, there's an energy of growth here, okay? Someone's got some insight, they're seeing things differently, okay? We also have, my focus is on making positive changes in myself rather than placing blame. So this person knows that they've got to come out of their own way, stop any self-sabotaging, not taking accountability, or like looking at what actions, how the actions they took, or whether how it then influenced or how it impacted this connection, okay? So I openly admit to my friends that I made a mistake. I made mistakes in our relationship. So they know they've made mistakes. And this could be why we see this energy of regret over silence. Perhaps this person may have used silence, okay? Or not even to say they used silence, but perhaps it's kind of like not being clear with their communication, not being forthcoming, okay? And this could have created, like, again, a friction energy, okay? I envision healthy interactions where we respect each other's growth journeys, okay? Now it could be, again, as well, maybe like not giving what you wanted, okay? But again, it could be as well not this person not really fully understanding what it is that you wanted. It feels very much like what was going on here, that there is this energy of the communication doing this, okay? It feels like there's been a dance when it comes to communication, but a dance where it wasn't in rhythm, it wasn't in sync, okay? So we have regret over silence. I regret not talking things through. Again, not making things clear, not communicating those feelings. We have patience. Patience is key in our situation. So this person is hoping that the two of you can still come together and talk things out, okay? We're going to pull out a Jamaican proverb and see what Jamaican proverb wants to come through. And essentially, Jamaican proverbs are just little pockets of wisdom, okay? Passed down from the ancestors and the elders. It didn't make much sense when you're a child, okay? But as you grow older, they can be used and applied in all different life scenarios, okay? So we have 1-1 cocoa full basket. 1-1 cocoa full basket, okay? This simply means if you have, let's say, just to show you an example, okay, you can have several, okay, cocoa. So think of the cocoa bean, and in Jamaican culture, there's also like a small kind of like rooted kind of vegetable. It almost looks a like a cassava, like the texture, but it's kind of more in grayish in color. Okay, more grayish in color, a bit like these cinnamon sticks, but a bit darker, and it's more like a rooted vegetable, and it's a bit hairy. Okay, but it's much smaller. Okay, quite a small like rooted vegetable. Okay, that can be used to cook like puddings, or it's what Jamaicans also called hard food. So you will boil it and serve it with like a stew, or maybe with ackee and saltfish, like stewed chicken. Okay, things like that. Okay, we're moving on. Talking about food now. So the idea is that if you had one, let's say you have one that was really, oh, maybe something could be significant with N. Okay, but we have like, let's say one cocoa or one cocoa bean, just as cocoa bean might be the one that most people might recognize. Or okay, so just think of, you had one cocoa bean, but this one cocoa bean was quality cocoa bean amongst the other cocoa beans that was there, that it surpassed all the other cocoa beans that is around them. This is how they see you. This is how they see you. They see you amongst all these other cocoa beans, but your cocoa bean, okay, your cocoa bean, we're gonna keep it clean and classy. Your cocoa bean, your energy, okay, is top of the top, okay, top, the de la creme, okay, the cherry on top, okay, the top of the top, okay. So I hope that's making sense, okay. All right, so focus and achieve what you want in life: prosperity, abundance. But in terms of, again, how they can be used to apply in different areas, they see this as something that your aura, your vibe, your energy is quality, and maybe someone took it for granted, someone didn't. It feels like maybe in the separation, or maybe the silence has now made them see, like, wow, what was I thinking? What was I doing? And it feels very much like there was a self-sabotage energy. It feels very much like this person may still have like hurt issues, or may have been hurt in the past, and taints everybody with the same brush. Okay, now when we say taints everybody with the same brush, it's like they're applying, like, oh, I need to keep a guard. Now it feels like the silence could have been a guard to see whether you will kind of like show interest, like kind of run back after them. It feels like that kind of energy. Now, let's say if you did do 1 or 2 times, it's kind of feeling like, wow, we're gonna call you Jane and call this person John. Wow, Jane doesn't seem like she's oh wow, like this is not working on Jane. And it feels like this person is now realizing, like, wow, you know what, maybe that was the wrong mistake to make, it was probably the wrong mistake to make. And now they're looking, now they're thinking, they're trying to contemplate, oh wow, why did I do this? Okay, so we have a few messages here from what they tell others. Let's have a look. She has this incredible ability to make everyone feel special. Her kindness and compassion are unmatched. There's a depth to her emotions, that makes our connection so powerful. Again, that strong energy of vibe, aura, okay? She has this elegance that's both natural and effortless. She challenges me in way. Look, she challenges me in ways no one else ever has, and this could be why it's like, wow, the way I may have dealt with things, or how I managed, it's not work. This is not. It feels like, again, this person may have done those it could have been like little tests, because it's like they want to open up, but they're trying to see if their emotions are safe with you. Okay, she's got this, look at this. She's got this aura, she's got this vibe, this aura of mystery that keeps me constantly intrigued. So even if, this person, or there's been limited contact, okay, or no contact, you are still on their mind. You are still on their mind, and they talk about you to others a lot, trying to seek advice. It feels very much like they could have also talked to people who given them the bad advice. Now it feels like what's coming through is that there might have been someone who was jealous of this connection. That's what's coming through. There could have been someone who was jealous of this connection, okay, that would kind of give advice to steer the person away from you, okay. That's what's coming through. Now if you've sensed this inkling, then this message could be for you, okay. Take it where it resonates and leave the rest, okay. But it feels very much like there was someone who also in their friend circle also had the eyes for you, or had this energy of not wanting them to be taken away from the friendship circle or group, okay, for their own kind of self-sabotaging reasons. It also feels like there's a message that's coming through is like misery lights company. So there could have also been someone here, okay, that was trying to sabotage it, okay, because there's an energy, it feels like there's an energy of someone wanting to wallow in their own, like, oh, like, no, but we stick together, and like, if so, then that way there's always like some companionship, okay. This is what's coming through. Take it where it resonates, okay. So from what we can see here, okay, that this person does have feelings, and it feels very much like they're looking back, and there's a lot of regret energy on how they dealt with things, how they maneuver. It's almost like they can also see perhaps this person, okay, that has been self-sabotaging. It makes them like, it's like they're checking all the dots and the T's and thinking, oh my gosh, why didn't I not see this sooner? Is there any way that I can repair this with Jane? And again, Jane is quality, so Jane can go and meet someone else. Jane can go and see some, like, it's like they recognize that and they're accepting that, okay. Let's have a look at what the tarot wants you to know. Let's see what the tarot wants you to know. Okay, blunt AF, blunt AF, okay, blunt AF, blunt AF. The exact thoughts and feelings for you. The exact thoughts and feelings. Look at that. Look at that, collective. We have the 10 of Wands. What is this card telling you? Okay. You can put it in the comments down below. We're just looking at it intuitively. What energy, what vibe are you getting from this? From what we've seen, okay? This is giving real burden energy. Feeling like the weight is on their shoulders. It's like almost like they're putting all that pressure on their crown chakra, okay? And see that yellow, that strong yellow, it's almost like representing why they didn't trust their own confidence, their own thoughts to believe and run with that, okay. Yellow represents the energy of the solar plexus, okay, which is located around here, around the stomach area, okay. And what I'm getting from this is very much like not trusting themselves, and it feels like now there's been an energy of growth. There's been an energy of like, wow, I'm so glad I see things like this. I'm so glad now that my eyes are open now. Okay, there's a strong energy of feeling like I hope I hope things can be repaired, but it feels like this person is like, I know I have to work on myself. Perhaps you may have had a conversation, or maybe this person may have shared or talked about things that they've learned or working on, okay? But it feels very much like this their mind is heavily on you, but it's also like them taking time to realize how they could have handled the situation better. Okay, so that they are thinking heavily about you, but also looking, and perhaps this person might overthink as well, like how they could have dealt with the situation better. We have the Page of Pentacles. Now the Page of Pentacles is kind of telling us that this person still hopes. They still hope. There's like an energy, like that spark of thinking again, that sunshine energy. They hope that, and behind that is together. Look at that. They hope that the two of you can be together. Okay, hoping that a new opportunity and taking on this apprentice like mindset, you know, to focus again, back to that Jamaican proverbs of one cocoa. Okay, to focus, to achieve, to persevere, to learn. Okay, to learn, not just assume like what your needs are and what you want, but to wants to like take on that energy of like learning, growing. Okay, and look, this is what we have: the Ace of Pentacles in the reverse position. So this is the Ace of Pentacles in the reverse position is telling us this is how they see it, like it being a missed opportunity. It's like, if you look at where the hand is with the coin, it's like, wow, how could I have let this go away? Now, how could I have let this go? How could I have let this fall out of my hand? How? How could I have let something, such a good thing, come out? This is what's coming through. It's like a strong, like heavy reflective energy, like, oh my gosh, how could I have made this? How could I have come to this? Look what we have here, the Tower. So we're currently in the Scorpio energy. Okay, Scorpio season. Now, again, the reads are timeless, but this card is representing this kind of frantic, oh my gosh, they're looking, they're recognizing, like, wow, how could I have been, the message is like someone saying, how could I have been so silly? How could I have been so silly? Why did I not see it sooner? This is what's really coming through for this person. Okay. Again, perhaps you may have shared some things about maybe a particular person in their circle or how you felt, and again, they didn't take it seriously until maybe they saw it for themselves with the Tower. But the Tower in this position is saying, now it's, you know, this is kind of beyond divines. This is kind of like almost like a karmic energy of like what goes around comes around energy. Okay, and now this person's having to deal with the consequences. Again, the energy of regret is coming through. Okay, we have here as well the Five of Cups in the reverse. So there's definitely this energy of feeling like they've lost something. Okay, hoping that they can come back, hoping that they can find a way of coming back to you. Okay, making amends. Again, trust your intuition and use your discernment. Okay, yes, we have the Eight of Cups. The Eight of Cups in the middle is telling us this person is still stuck on you. Their mind is on you. Okay, wherever there's been no contact, limited contact, their mind is still on you. So even after all those, look at these, you know, the Eight of Cups, that it's like representing all those missed opportunities, and it's resulted to this Tower moment, and they've got to make peace with it. It feels like the Hangman is there as well. Okay, yeah, look, frantic, when the hangman is in this position, okay, it's in a frantic mode. It's like, why didn't I? Do you see this energy of like someone's like having this moment of, why didn't I not see this earlier? How could I have not seen? How could I have not seen it? Okay, a strong energy of like, oh my gosh. And they could be still trying to find ways of how they can impress you. Okay, perhaps it could be trying to offer like a gift, or offer some way of like maybe taking you out, or trying to see if you I feel like they might try to do it in subtle ways. Okay, or if you're around, maybe you want to go for coffee sometime or something like that. Okay, or it could even be perhaps this person has been blocked and they may be trying to find other ways, let's say through email, through a mutual friend. Okay, again, trust your intuition and use your discernment. But this person has realized they've made a big mistake. There's a strong energy that they realize they've made a big mistake here. Okay, so we're going to use your next relationship cards. Okay, but we're just going to use it just to see what do they want to happen? What do they want to happen? What do they want to see happen? Let's see what they want to happen, or what they hope for. Okay, let's see. What do they want? What do they hope for? What do they want? What do they hope for? Look at this. Oy, 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 oy. See, we said something subtle, didn't we? About it could be something a subtle way. We have an admirer wants to take you out on a date, impressed by your growth. That growth word has come through again, and self-awareness. This time next year, this is what they hope for. This time next year, that love is blooming for you with a partner who cherishes you every moment. Ooh la la. So we can see from here that there's a lot of energy of regret, a lot of energy of remorse, a lot of feelings like they wish they could have done better, they wish they could have seen things sooner. Okay, a regret on how they dealt with you, how they maneuvered in the situation. Okay, so let's have a look at two more messages for you. Okay, let's see what they want to tell you from how do they feel. Okay, but we can see they view you as, again, the top of the top. Okay, I honestly feel scared how much I care for you. So those true feelings are coming through. I honestly feel nervous about taking the next step with you, and that could be maybe why it was getting that energy of like silence. But then we see the stuck energy. Look at that, the King of Wands and the King of Cups. So they could embody that energy. Again, we see water signs with the Tarot card. We see the fire signs with the Ten of Wands. We see earth signs with the Page of Pentacles and the Ace of Pentacles. Okay, and we see water signs with the Eight of Cups, and fire signs with the King of Wands and the King of Cups, the water signs again. So it could be any sign here. Okay, but it feels very much as we are currently in the Scorpio season. Okay, there is an energy of reflection. There's an energy of like, as we are approach the end of the year, there's an energy, okay, of looking, reflecting, wishing that they did better, wishing they treated you better, wishing that they were honest and at least shared why they operated the way they did, rather than to just kind of leave you guessing or leaving you hanging, leaving you waiting. Okay, so we're going to leave you with something to help you to see what type of things this person may wear, okay, just to help describe this person, or type of colors or things that they may wear, just to help you to describe who this person could be. Let's see who wants to come through into this read. Yeah, let's see. Blunt AF, their exact thoughts and feelings for you. So they may be into wearing like caps, okay. We have coats, okay, or perhaps it could be the colors that are significant, okay, or the type of style. Maybe they can or like to wear that kind of smart casual look, okay. There could be some memories attached to his clothing, okay. And we have t-shirts, okay. Anything else to help to describe who this could be? We have pants. So pants as well has come up, okay. So we're going to leave it here, but we're going to leave you with a self-love message. What self-love message do you need to hear today? What self-love message do you need to hear today? We have love is abundant and always available to you. So this is a message that we all need to hear loud and clear, okay? Whether it's this person or anybody, just know that love is abundant and always available to you, okay? And if, oh, we haven't had our sip, how can we not have our sip, okay? And let's take our sip. We'll take our sip now. Okay, I'm going to sip on my water because it's the closest to me. Okay, I hope you've got something to sip on. We are celebrating our 1,000 intuitive tea sippers in the building at Gwan Tea. Okay, so big up yourselves. But going back to the love is abundant and always available to you. Okay, nobody should, don't really value and respect your boundaries at this time. Love on yourself and know that love is all around you, okay? And this person is now realizing the mistakes that they've made. There is a lot of errors in their ways, okay? But really, really pour love into yourself and show love into yourself. Show love to yourself when tender love and care, okay? And know that you deserve that. You deserve that. And so much more. So much more. So much more, okay? But what we can see from here, blunt AF, this person does think about you a lot. But just before we go, okay, seeing the King of Wands and seeing the King of Cups in this position, okay, is telling us very much like this person may have used, with the King of Wands, operated in like a male flirtatious, assertive kind of nature, but used that as a way to mask their feelings. So with the King of Cups in this reverse energy, the King of Cups can represent someone who's very intuitively confident with their feelings, okay? They don't feel no way to express how they feel. But what we can see, it's in the reverse position. So this tells us that there is some closed doors when it comes to their expressing and giving love, to the point that they kind of use it in a manipulative way, okay? That they have the tendency to sense love, feelings, okay, or if someone is attracted to them or if someone's drawn to them, but then use it to their own advantage to kind of pull on heartstrings. Again, it feels very much like this person did that to the point that it came to a place of maybe no return, because now we see this regretful energy. And look at the hat. So there's definitely some karmic energy involved here, with the Justice card being right next to the Hangman in this position, okay? Playing games that we had that message in a couple of reads ago, okay, when you play silly games, you can win silly prizes, okay? Okay, in Jamaican culture, we call it dance, okay? So, if you play dance games, you win dance prizes, okay? So it feels very much like this person is realizing their mistakes, their ways, and hope that you may be open, give them a chance. But we say here, trust your intuition. And the fact that we have this love message, this self-love message, it's like saying, really allow yourself to be open now. Don't just focus on one person, and they've kind of shown you ways that are not in line with like seeing you as the quality, seeing you as that the dime that there is somebody there who will perhaps this could be this person, perhaps this person can also be someone that wants to take you out, okay? Ooh la la. We're gonna leave you with one bonus message, okay? And just see, message from a new love interest. This is message from a new love interest, okay? So not this person that that has been coming through in the read, but a new love interest and their exact thoughts and feelings. Let's see. A new love interest, their exact thoughts and feelings. Ooh, look at this. Number 1 comes back into your read, collective. New beginnings is the energy of number 1. So, okay, do your healing, do your work, okay, to clearing, okay. Again, if you want it, trust your intuition, use your discernment, but there's an energy of a new beginning, okay? A new beginning in love awaits you, bringing deep connection and understanding. But at first, you've got to be ready for it. You've got to be open to it, okay? So we're going to leave it here. Take the messages that resonate and leave the rest, okay? Leave the rest. I saw it go. I saw it go. I saw it go is Jamaican patois, and it simply means this is how it goes around here, okay? This is how it goes, okay? This is how it goes, but this is how it goes around here. We just take what resonates and we just leave the rest, okay? I saw it go. I saw it go. So be sure to look good, feel good, big up yourselves, okay? Stay blessed, keep sipping, and we'll see you, okay? Maybe for pile 2 or pile 3, okay? But we'll see you on another read pretty soon. So stay blessed, big up yourselves, and wah Gwan. Wagwan people, Wagwan tea sippers, Wagwan my generals. So we're on pile 2 and we're exploring Blunt AF, their exact thoughts and feelings for you right now. Okay? Now, if you are new here, big up yourselves. big up yourselves every time. And to our subscribers, our intuitive tea sippers, big up yourself, yeah. Ooh, big up yourself, yeah. Big up yourselves every time. Much love and blessings from your favorite Jamaican auntie. Okay, Auntie T. We've got a lot to explore today, okay? So, I hope you've got a nice beverage of your choice. Okay, I'm sipping on some red bush tea and some water to stay hydrated so we can connect and gather those intuitive, juicy gems, okay? So, we're in for a juicy one, okay? So, if you haven't done so already, please like, subscribe, share, and comment down below. Come and join the Love and Light family at Gwan tarot and tea. All right, let's see Gwan. And Gwan simply means what is going on. Now we might have the energy of number 2 come into the read. 2 represents the energy of choices, decisions, balance, etc., etc. Okay, so we may see that in the read, and we already see this energy about second thoughts, decision making. Someone is looking at how they have, or what they've done, or how they have processed things, and maybe thinking, you know what, maybe I needed some more time, or I needed to look at all the avenues first. Okay, so we're going to explore. We have happy, the word happy. So perhaps this person may have had a lot of happy memories, or wants to have happy memories. We also have beneath, and it feels like beneath could be telling us or giving us some insight on their decision making, their thoughts, maybe why they do things. Perhaps again it could be that energy of self-sabotage, so we're going to explore it. Now if you hear, okay, that is, it's just a way, it's just kind of like a way of how I connect with the downloads, the intuitive downloads that come through, essentially in Jamaican culture, to say whoa, woy, woy, woy. Okay, basically it's essentially, it's kind of like a oh my gosh, wow. Okay, and that's how I like to connect, but I do it in a singy way. Okay, so if you may hear it from time to time. Okay, all right, let's get straight into this read. So second thoughts. I'm having second thoughts about my decisions. I'm having second thoughts. Okay, second thoughts. So blunt AF, their exact thoughts and feelings for you right now. This person is in a contemplation energy. This person is in, it feels very much like a 2 of swords energy. Okay, or a 7 of cups. That's what's kind of coming through. Like there's a heavy weight on their shoulders, like someone is feeling like, did I make the right choice? Oh, like, why did I not trust myself? Perhaps this person may have not trust their own intuition, used their own discernment, and now it's like they're looking, going, why did I do that? Okay, again, call you Jane and call this person John. It feels like John is saying, why did I do that? Or why did I listen to this? Why did I not check with Jane first? Why did I not ask Jane these questions? Why did I not explore this? Okay, this is what it feels like is coming through. Okay, so before we look at the cards underneath, and that's kind of very, very much on what they tell others, because we're going to focus on how they view you and what they tell others. Okay, we're going to look at these oracle cards and see what wants to come through. So blunt AF, their exact thoughts and feelings for you. Their exact thoughts and feelings for you. And we are celebrating our 1000 intuitive tea sippers. So big up, big up, big up to all of you. Okay, it's been a beautiful journey, and may the journey continue and prosper and prosper. Big up, big up, big up every time. So ooh, we have a fly away. So you know we have a lot of energy. So I want to quickly go and pick up that card and see Gwan. Okay, ooh la la, lots of energy here. Okay, yes, look at this. Look what has come through. Look at that collective. Okay, now you know there's a lot of energy here. So the red flags you ignore will come back to bite later. So this feels very much like now this person is seen, not in saying in sense that like they see you as red flags. See that their red flags are not trusting themselves when it came to making decisions, being clear with their decisions. Okay, it could even be in a case of, let's say, like maybe you've been waiting to, like, this person to kind of make a choice, make a decision on what they want, and it feels very much like that there could have been a delay here in how they dealt with things. Again, because it feels very much like there's a regret energy on how they maneuvered, how they came to make their choice or make their decision. It feels almost like they may have delayed and delayed to the point that it was like, well, I guess that's your decision then, okay? And now this person's thinking and looking at it like, oh, wow, why did I do that? Why did I do that? Anything else that wants to come through? Anything else? Anything else? Oh, I just saw something about they'll be back. Expect to hear from them soon. Expect to hear from them soon. They want to come back. They want to be in alignment. They want to be in balance with this union. But again, I feel like it's like saying really trust your intuition and you use your discernment. We are currently in like Scorpio season. Again, the reads are timeless. But there could be like maybe, you know, this person's like really into their feelings right now. Looking, reflecting, okay? Any more for the collective? Yes, look, collective. Intuitive tea sippers, there's a lot of messages here. A lot of messages. A lot of messages here. Look at this. So we have moving. We have the energy of moving here. Change of residence, moving in with your partner. It could be what they've been visualizing. It could be what they wanted. It could be what they thought they could have had with you, okay, or what they desire, what they hope maybe can come if you both reconnect, okay, or both like a reconciliation energy, okay. We have fire signs, so perhaps it could be, okay, take it where it resonates, maybe an Aries, Leo, or Sagittarius energy, okay, or want to tap into a fire sign energy, like to move with courage, okay. The Wizard of Oz reference is coming through of the courageous lion wanting to come forward, like, and show you with their chest. So perhaps it could be a Leo, okay, Leo energy. We have let go, make room for the new beginning on its way. And I feel like this is a message for you, like the butterfly represents the energy of transformation, okay. This person may still be holding on, and it could be someone from like way back in the past. It could be someone who's current. It could be someone who's like so wishy-washy or on and off that it was like, you know what, I need to cut it, okay. Your price is way too high, you need to cut it, okay. The prices are way too high, okay. Perhaps some of you might be experiencing a breakup, okay. And it's that energy, or it could be also again that on and off. Or maybe it could also be like a past love interest, or someone you may have been married to, okay, or have had a long-term relationship, okay, or whether the relationship was 1 year, 2 years, 10 years plus, okay. It feels very much like this person may still be like, still feel like, I could have done better. It feels like there's an energy of regret, like not taking those opportunities. And it could be even the words like saying, come on, let's do some therapy together, let's go and work on this, take it where it applies. But this is what's coming through, okay. And maybe someone not willing to take it, because we have gambling here, okay. So there may have been some addictions, or some, let's say, attitudes, or behaviors that was not aligned, okay, with the connection, with growth for the connection. Problems with addiction or gambling, bad finances, okay. We also have earth sign here, So Taurus, Virgo, and Capricorn. Could be also representing the energy of the need to be grounded, because we have that energy of addiction, okay, the thrill, okay, loving the thrill, and it's like, you know, want to be more grounded. But we also have sexuality here. Someone is still figuring themselves out. Again, it has fallen on pile 2, 2 representing the energy of balance, 2 representing the energy of union, 2 representing the energy of like alignment, choices, decisions, your clarity. So it could also be made, perhaps if you've sensed this, again, take the messages where it resonates. It could be someone who is still trying to understand and know where they are, okay, or what they want. Okay, and we have the energy of manifest. Tell the universe exactly what you want. And I feel like this is a message that applies to you, but also to this person, that there's an energy of like maneuvering, but not really with the clarity, not with the intention. So we're going to explore the intentions deck. Let's see what wants to come through. Their true intentions. Their true intentions, their true intentions, blunt AF, their exact thoughts and feelings for you right now. Their true intentions. We have mutual respect. Mutual respect is a cornerstone of their intentions towards you, okay? What else wants to come through? Blunt AF. Oh yes, it's starting to flow now. We have quite a few that want to just fall on the floor. Okay, last shuffle. It feels like there's more than one scenario here. Yes, thank you. Okay, so take the messages where it resonates. I'm going to quickly pick up that one that fell on the floor. And you know what? We're going to use this as our time collective to have a tea sipping moment. Okay, so I've got my red bush. Okay, the red bush tea. Yes, I like to double it. Okay, it's full of antioxidants. Okay, so we're going to have a nice good sip. Let us know what you are sipping down below. Put it in the comments down below. Okay, ooh la la. And do let us know as well. I've been thinking of an idea of like a tea of the week. Okay, a tea or a drink of the week. Okay, and we'll put it in the community post. So if that does interest you, let us know. But it be something that you'll see anyway on the community post. Okay, so right, so now we've had our little sip to stay hydrated and allow those intuitive gems to flow. Let's have a look and see what intentions have come through. We have working on themselves. They are taking time to work on themselves and hope to reunite stronger. So they want to reunite, but in a more reformed, the word reformed. Now we did have addiction. Okay, we take it where it resonates. Mixed signals. Their mixed signals stem from uncertainty about their feelings. And we have seen kind of mixed signal energies here as well. Okay, take it where it resonates. It could be also in direction in life where you want to go, perhaps moving, long-term commitments, okay, setting roots, okay, could be engagement, marriage, okay, even maybe something to do with a job, okay, confusion. They are confused about their feelings and need time to figure things out. Again, we said 2, representing the energy of choices, decisions. We did have the word beneath. So this could be telling us or giving us some more insight in what lies beneath. There's a film, I think it's Kevin Bacon, What Lies Beneath. Take it where it resonates. Fond memories. They cherish the good memories but are unsure about creating new ones together. Although What Lies Beneath was a thriller, okay, but it feels very much like it's kind of like in the film, it was focused on this like family, and they were thought they had such like a perfect life, and then they realized that there were things underground that unfolded for them to realize that it everything didn't appear as it seems. And it feels like maybe this person, what's coming through is that this person might be quite a good dresser, and it could be a way of how they mask, like they're very good at masking their feelings, avoiding depth, because we have avoiding the depth. They avoid deep emotional connections and prefer casual interactions. Manipulative intentions. They are playing games and manipulating the situation for their benefit. Mutual respect. I think we read that one. Mutual respect. Okay. Yeah. Fear of vulnerability. Here we go. Fear of vulnerability is preventing them from reaching out. Future planning. They are planning a future with you in mind and taking steps towards that goal. We just had a little buzz from the phone. Okay, so that when that happens, it's kind of like giving another intuitive gems here. Okay, that there could be some of you, for some of you, there could be someone who does want that. Okay, but it feels like there's a message here. If we go back to that, the first card that came out, it's like it's really saying to, collective and intuitive tea sippers, that the energy of really trusting your intuition has to be paramount here. So for you to clock who's who around you, or who's this love interest, okay, and are they serious, okay? Are they about that time? Are they about that life, okay, of long-term commitment, okay? Are they ready? Are they open? Are they ready? And are they steady for love, okay? Are they open? Are they ready? And are they steady for love? Okay, so we have third-party influence. A third-party influence is influencing their decisions regarding your relationship. Okay, so there could be a third-party influence. We are going to have a look at one. Let's see what wants to come through in this deck for the collective. Message regarding third-party influence. Third-party influence, whether it could be addiction, whether it could be maybe someone else, we'll see. Okay, message regarding third-party. Message regarding third-party influence. Third-party, again, collective. There is a lot of strong, vibrant energy in Pile 2's read. And it feels like it's trying to tell us more. There's more than one scenario here. We'll get that one again, okay? Oh, it fell right underneath me. Oh, look at that word. It fell right under. It fell right under, right beneath me. Collective again. It feels very much like what's coming through is this could be right beneath your nose. If you've sensed something, trust what you've sensed. We have the law of attraction. You have been manifesting this relationship. Everything you want will soon be yours. Okay, take it where it resonates. Deepening. A relationship will finally deepen in the next few months. You have been waiting for this. Be optimistic. Look what's come out. Keep in mind that you create your reality. You can't attract love with a negative mindset. And we have third-party situation. Other people may be interfering with this relationship and dimming its full potential. Okay? Stay optimistic. Positive thinking and faith will bring romance into your life. Distance. The separation you are experiencing is necessary to help the relationship grow. And we have beware of codependency. Addictive behaviors are affecting your romantic life. And we have take a leap of faith. Only when you are willing to step out of your comfort zone, you will reap great rewards. Now it feels like what I'm getting is like in the cards that were needed to be seen was beware of codependency and the third party situation. Okay. And it feels very much like the rest was like being mindful of not being drawn. It feels very much like there's a theme. Like in all the reads, they tend to be like an ongoing theme, like a pattern that shows and shows itself in each pile, and it feels very much like what's coming through in this pile is like, don't put all of your eggs in one basket. Don't put all of your eggs in one basket. Anything else wants to come through? Anything else? Anything else? Last shuffle. You see, look at this energy. Okay. Collective, there is a lot of energy here. We have magnetic connection. There is a very strong pull. Very strong pull. And perhaps this is why we keep seeing this flowing, this ignited, this kind of like energy of like things kind of like igniting, okay? Two coming together, igniting. But it feels like it's also like, it could be also knowing that it's not always great in terms of like, if you see, we're still seeing a lot of like mixed signals energy as well. But again, it feels like there's more than one scenario in this read. We also have the energy of separation coming through again. Time apart from your partner is on the horizon. And we have keep the door open. Don't be, look, didn't we just say, don't put all your eggs in one basket. Don't be so focused on a closed door that you don't see the ones which are open for you. Because we do have genuine interest here. There is somebody that has genuine interest. But it feels like the message is saying that if you keep all of your eggs in one basket, if you just focus on the one door and not the other doors around you, you could be missing out on an opportunity. So this person is genuinely interested and sees potential for a serious relationship. Okay. We also have hidden intentions. Their true intentions are not clear yet. They might be hiding something. Okay. Friendly vibes. They enjoy your company and see you as a good friend with potential for more. Seeking stability. Are they open? Are they ready? And are they steady for love? They are seeking stability but are unsure how to achieve it within your relationship. And we have surface level interest. Their interest in you is surface level and lacks depth. Okay, perhaps it could be someone who does have maybe energy of like trying to still explore or wants just like a kind of a sexual connection. So really trust your intuition, use your discernment. Okay, as we like to say as well, make sure you practice safe. Okay, always practice safe, you know? All right. But trust your intuition. Okay. All right. Oh, we're talking about sexual energy, by the way. Practicing safe sexual energy. All right. Good. Okay. We're going to have a look at the Jamaican proverbs. Okay. Let's see. And we're getting a lot of wobbly energy. It's kind of telling us that, yeah, it's like an energy of like someone's not sure. Okay. Ooh, look at that. We have what is for you. Look at what a perfect proverb to come through. What is for you can't be for you. So what is yours, what is divinely yours, cannot be removed from you. Okay, it's in your what the word that's coming through is your Akashic records. Okay, essentially like that is like the book of your life. It's in your book of your life. It can't be taken away. Okay. So what is for you can't be for you. What is for you? What is for you can't be for you. Okay. So what is for you? What is meant for you cannot be unmeant for you. Okay. It will come. It will come. Don't rush. Stay consistent. Stay focused on your goals, be happy for others, and know your time will come too. And it feels very much maybe why we saw a lot of energy of like the law of attraction. Take a leap of faith, stay optimistic, okay? Because perhaps you might, for some of you, okay, take the messages where it resonates. There could be this feeling like maybe when is it going to be my turn? Maybe it could be also, okay, you might be sensing this person's energy, and it could be also maybe this person is like thinking about you, and maybe you could be also sensing their past energy, okay, and it could be interfering with your energy to attract new energy, okay. We're going to have a look again in back to this pile. So we had the second thoughts. Someone's having second thoughts, okay, and this could be maybe sensing that energy, okay. They could be trying to send you messages, like telepathic messages. She's got an old soul. There's wisdom in everything she says. Her intelligence is one of the things I admire most about her. Okay? She's got this magnetic personality that draws people in. She's the embodiment of grace under pressure. There's a light in her that shines even in the darkest times. Okay, even in the darkest times. Okay, let's see. We're gonna just have a quick shuffle of their feelings for you, deck, and see what wants to come through. Okay, regarding this person, it feels like there's more than one scenario. So reveal the messages the collective need to see right now. Reveal the messages the collective need to see. Please keep them on the table. Please keep them on the table. Thank you. Keep them on the table. Thank you. Last shuffle. Thank you. Alright, let's have a look. Let's have a look and see Gwan. So if you haven't done so already, please like, subscribe, share and comment down below. Love to engage with you all, and it's greatly appreciated. So big up yourselves every time. Here at Gwan Tarot, we like to read, but we embody the energy of self-love. Okay, the ethos of self-love, and really, like, you know, trusting yourself, trusting your intuition. Okay. And again, the cards don't tell you what you want to hear. They tell you what you need to hear. So, I want to take you out and make new memories. This could be this person that wants to have these new memories, but it could be also, again, this a way of like trying to pull, because we did have that card that there's a strong kind of addictive energy about them. Perhaps it could be, okay, the song that's coming through is When We Touch. When We Touch. Oh, I can't remember the name of the artist. If you know it, put it in the comments down below. Okay, but it feels very much like this person knows exactly how to turn you on, how to make you feel good, or they could be a good kisser, they could be very physical, because we haven't looked at the tarot cards yet. Okay, but they could be very like captivating. We did have the energy of that. There's a strong pull here. Your energy has triggered a shift in me to believe I deserve love. Okay, perhaps this could be this person's awakening, like having this moment of like, oh, now I see that. But it could also mean maybe it's making you see this. Okay, it feels very much like the energy here is disjointed. Like it feels like it's your energy and this person's energy coming through, and others' energy coming through. I start to sweat when I see you. I start to sweat. Perhaps this could be this person. Perhaps this could be you. Ooh la la. I want to wine and dine you and see where things go. Right, before we have a look, continue to look, We're going to have a look and see what the tarot wants us to see. So for pile 2, blunt AF, their exact thoughts and feelings for you right now. Reveal the messages the collective need to see. Oh, look at that, collective. Look at that. The Ace of Wands in the reverse position. Going back to that sexual energy. That Ace of Wands, okay? We'll just put it up this way so you can see. Represents big D energy. Okay? This person knows how, they captivate a sexual energy that is very alluring, very, okay, it could be like what they wear just fits right, just sits right, it just looks good. It looks good on them, okay, it looks good on their body. Perhaps it could be their hands, okay, maybe you could be attracted to hands, okay, maybe hands do things for you. It's like maybe that kind of strong, like, oh, very strong, okay. It could also be the what they say. Again, this is fire energy, and look at that, fire and earth. What did we see earlier, collective? We saw fire in the cards, so there could be this energy of, what's coming through is things rubbing together. If you think of like wood and fire, okay, you've got to rub the wood and to help, to create fire. So it feels very much like they again, that captivating pull. But what we see, it's in this position, and we see the Five of Pentacles in this position. Fives represents change, represents conflict, okay? Now, what we see here is some conflicted big D energy. Conflicted big D energy. And this is why we go back to, are they open? Are they ready? And are they steady for love? This is why it's giving us this energy of trusting your intuition. I can currently see 333 on the clock, and it's very much giving this energy of, are they open? Are they ready? And are they steady for love? Okay. We may create a new series based on that, okay? Are they open and are they ready? And are they steady for love? And we'll explore it maybe in a live series. Put it in the comments down below if this is something that may interest you. And would you like to see live series come back? Ooh la la. Put it in the comments down below. Okay, it's greatly appreciated. But it's giving conflicted do. Okay. It's giving toxic do. Okay, that kind of energy. That's what it's giving. So really trust your intuition. It's like, yeah, it might feel good, or it might feel the energy may feel good now for a moment, but then look what it gives. Why is it giving this? Why is it giving like this energy of being ghosted, being left out in the cold, okay, and then leaving you like in this position? Something's not right here. Okay, and this is why we're seeing this really strong intuitive energy, really strong energy of like from the universe, okay, saying like really tap into staying optimistic, really raising your vibration, because it could also be that this person is very good at sensing maybe like when you are feeling a particular way, okay, and it's almost like as soon as you feel that type of way, they just appear from nowhere. Okay, trying to appear like they're giving you an offer, but really the offer is this offer. This is what they want. This is the offer that they're giving. This is the offer that they're giving, which isn't it isn't a pleasant offer. Okay, it's almost like an offer like read the small print. Read the small print, and all the details are in the small print. Okay, this is what it's giving. So let's have a look at the genuine interest. We had the genuine interest as well. Let's have a look and see what the message is coming from. The genuine interest. Genuine interest. Genuine interest. Genuine interest. Ooh. So far we have the genuine interest is Eight of Pentacles. We have the Three of Coins, but we have the Knight of Cups in the reverse. This is kind of feeling like maybe this genuine interest that wants to come forward, they may be trying to wonder whether maybe it's not right. They're not. It feels like they're saying what's coming through is like it's not the right time. Maybe it's not the right time to show my hand, but it is something that I want to work on. It could be perhaps again, it could be something to do with movement. Okay, or maybe there could be a new promotion, a new job. It feels like it's definitely someone who's very busy, or maybe it could also be that this could be like a someone, a colleague, or maybe someone who's moving somewhere else, but they want to see if this could work between you. Okay, because look what we have. We have the Two of Cups. The Two of Cups is a soulmate energy. Behind that is the Nine of Cups. So it could be like this person may even present themselves as a friend, because we do have friendly vibes, so that they can still like maybe be around you. But you know, because we have the Lovers there as well. But again, it's they want something mutual. They want something that it's like you feel the same way. Look at that, the Eight of Wands. You feel the same way. But you know, if you're still getting drawn, look at this, the Page of Cups. If you're still getting drawn by the person here, this is really like saying, yeah, you gotta let go, you gotta let low, you gotta let go, you got, you know, again, this energy of transformation showing up again in the read. Okay, because yes, this looks good, but look what's behind it. It's not built on solid ground. It's not built on ground that's making things grow. Okay, the Death card is in the reverse position. Behind that we have, look at that, the Ten of Swords. This is like, yep, no, 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 no. No, no, no. Then we have the King of Wands, not too far. When we see that King of Wands, again, that fire energy, that King of Wands, you see that long wand? We're going to keep it clean and classy. But when you see that wand, okay, that wand is like, you want some of this big D energy, baby? Because I will rock your world. You ready for me? Hey? Are you ready for me to rock your world? Because I will rock it for you. So you better know what you're doing, because I will rock it. Although it's in the upright position, okay? It's in the upright position, but what we see here, and what we see with that Five of Pentacles, and look, what is that, the Seven of Swords? Or no, oh no, it is the Nine of Cups in the reverse position. So this, and look what's behind that. The Devil. So this, you know what that's giving? It's giving toxic. It's giving toxic vibration. And that toxic vibration, that low vibration, is going to impact on your energy now to attract what you want. Again, the cards don't tell you what you want to hear. It tells you what you need to hear. There is someone who's captivating, very alluring, very attractive, very sexy, knows what to say, knows how to say it, and can pull. But the message is saying, you know what, be mindful of this. They are very good at what they do and know how to present themselves, look very attractive, very alluring, okay? To try and get you again, tap into your feelings. Okay, and it's saying no, don't get caught up, don't get caught up, because you know this is where they like to leave things in the Five of Pentacles energy. And what we see in the Five of Pentacles energy is this energy of poverty, this energy of lack. Okay, the gift is not giving. The gift is not giving. Okay. All right, So we'll continue. Let's have a look at these messages. It is time to set some roots. Will you join me? I want to travel the world with you. I'm accepting that I wasn't right for you and I wish you love. So the energy of let go here, the energy of that, we saw that divorce energy as well. I can't stop fantasizing about you. Look at that Ace of Wands in that reverse position, trying to pull, okay? I want to reconcile and make things right. I wish I could place the palms of my hands in yours and embrace you with love, okay? That energy there. Embrace you. I love your mindset. You have taught me so many things. So you've taught them a lot. I'm afraid you will reject me if I open up. So perhaps this is why they use and capitalize on that sexual energy to draw you in, lure you in. Okay? I'm confused about where we stand. I've been flexing. Look at this. I've been flexing with my options. I like you. I like you. I like you a lot, baby. But don't wait for me. You know, you deserve better, baby. Yeah, I got that big D energy, but don't wait for me. Don't wait for me, baby. Don't wait for me. You deserve better. Okay? If you know, if someone shows you trust and believe, okay? Trust and believe. And use your intuition and your discernment, you know. It's your natural navigator, okay? Your natural compass, okay? My feelings for you are intense and passionate. You see, we're seeing this energy. I'm scared of being vulnerable, okay? So this is why they capitalize on that toxic big D. That's what's coming through. We saw the devil. We saw the Five of Pentacles. We've seen the Ace of Wands in the reverse, okay? And we see the death. We saw the death card. We saw the Ten of Swords. It's like what's coming through is the sound. Or if you do know where the sound comes from, I don't know if it's Doctor Who or Star Wars, but it's like it's like beaming red lights, red flag, red flag, red flag. It's like the flags are flagging. The flags are flagging. I listened to bad advice from others who didn't have my back, and I didn't trust myself either. And now you are gone. So it could be someone realizing. It feels like for Power 2, there are several scenarios here. So just take what resonates and leave the rest. I want to support you in everything you do. This feels like the new interest that we have here. Okay, working together, collaboration, building. Okay. Yep, we may be maybe at different stages in life, but I'm willing to work. I'm willing to, you know, have that patience. Okay, we see patience earlier. Okay, or the energy of patience is coming through. Okay, taking time, working together, growing together. I need to confess something important to you. I didn't realize what I had until it was gone. From what we can see, collective, there's definitely a message here of like a lot of work is needed here. Let's have a look at the shadow healing cards. Let's have a look, okay? One of my favorite decks. So we're going to have a look and see what needs healing here with this person that's coming through with this very strong, vibrant, fiery, pulling energy. Okay, what's going on here? Okay, we have baffled. Sometimes a little confusion allows us the opportunity to explore different ways that we might not have previously considered. And perhaps could be what Again, this kind of addictive energy trying to lure you in. Okay, anything else? Anything else? So it's kind of leaving you feeling like, okay, back to into a loop. Okay, delay. Not everything has to happen now, and taking time to consider the outcome can be beneficial. However, delaying won't fix anything, as nothing will change. Nothing will change. Okay, what do you need to hear right now? What do you need to hear right now? What do you need to hear right now? We have perplexed. Still unsure? Again, this is going back to that intuition. Still unsure of what happened? Shake your head, roll your eyes, and respect that others choose to travel different journeys than you. And remember that each journey is important. Okay? Perhaps this person has to do their own work to find, work on their own healing. Okay? The Eight of Pentacles here represents the energy of work. They've got to do the work. They've got to put in that time, that effort. Okay? Perhaps this person may have picked easier routes, okay, to deal with their emotions and their feelings. And perhaps, as you become more intuitively inclined, you are seeing it, you are sensing it, and you are now recognizing, like, yeah, this is not, this is, something's not right here. And it's like, yeah, trust and believe it. Trust and believe it. Okay, so we are going to leave you with something significant about this person. Let's we'll go back to the close deck. Okay, just to help describe this person. Let's see what wants to come through. Help you to describe this person. We have swimsuit, so perhaps they could be into swimming. Okay, they could be, yeah, they could be into swimming. It could also feel like deep in their emotions as well. Anything else? Quite an interesting one to come out. We have vests. Perhaps this could be something that they wear. Okay, and we have watch. Watch. Anything else? Yes, we have coat. This came through in pile 1 as well. Okay, any more? And we have a bow tie. Again, it could probably like represent the energy of this person and like wanting to look good. Again, attractive, appearing like fresh, dapper. Okay, but it could be also the way that they maneuver. Right, let's have a look at the young. We had young. Now perhaps it could be this person likes to look young, fresh. Young and fresh. Okay, all right. I was going to say look at the new person. Now let's have a look at the new person now. The new person. New person. Skirt has come out, but perhaps it could be this, maybe this person makes you want to wear like very, or embrace your feminine side. Or perhaps this person, the word maybe they could be Scottish, Irish, okay, or they don't skirt around the bushes. That's what's coming through. They don't skirt around the bushes. Skirting around the bushes is like just a saying of like they're very straight to the point. Okay. Anything else about this new person? Okay, or genuine interest. They might be into like casual wear, relax. Okay, or it could also be that they don't mind like whether casual or not, or like semi-casual. Anything else? We have ring. So this could be their intentions. Okay, going back to their intentions, what they want, what they're looking for. Ooh la la. Ooh la la indeed. Ooh la la indeed. Okay, we're going to leave you with one more bonus card as we are celebrating. We're celebrating over here. Okay, 1,000 tea sippers. 1000 tea sippers. Okay. Our reads do kind of end up being like extended reads. So we're just, you know, we're celebrating here. Okay. So message regarding what we saw from this previous energy. Okay. So we have some keywords that represent the energy of the previous energy. Thank you. We have, these are playing cards. So we have certainty, dependability, reliability, safety, security, trust, trustworthiness. So look what's come out as well. The Jack of clubs. This can also represent the Knight of Wands. So the Knight of Wands is again that someone is like very, maybe again youngish, or it presents themselves as a youngish energy. Okay, youngish energy, vibrant, but you know, with that youngish energy, okay, does enjoy maybe embracing or tapping into their sexual energy, okay, to get what they want or to maneuver in life. Now, this goes back to that what we were saying earlier. Are they open? Are they ready? And are they steady for love? Okay, because we see a lot of energy of safety, security, trust. Okay, these are like the foundations of building a successful relationship. Okay, so if it's not there, you have to trust and believe. Okay, the watch could be representing that energy of time being there before. Okay, representing a cycle. Okay, maybe some missed opportunities. Okay, feels like that vest could also be like this casual energy that this person may have. Okay, and maybe the swimsuit is also giving this energy of like this person is very malleable, flexible. Okay, again, having lots of options, or keeping their or just keeping their self open. Okay, right, let's see regarding the new person, the new genuine love interest that we saw in the intentions deck. So genuine love intentions, let's see what wants to come through. So again, blunt AF, there's feelings for you right now, baby. Look at that, we have the 10 of clubs, or the 10 of wands. So economy, expediency. Okay, it's not about waiting on on like, oh, well, are they serious or not. It's this energy of like, you know, gonna be real, prudence, restraint, thrift. Okay. Ooh la la. So we're gonna leave it there. Take the messages where it resonates, collective, and leave the rest. Asoitga. Asoitga is Jamaican patois, and it simply means this is how it goes. Okay, we just take what resonates and just leave the rest. But be sure, okay, to big up yourselves every time. Look good, feel good, because it raises your vibration. It raises your vibration, okay? And keep sipping. All right, so stay blessed. And if you feel drawn to have a look at pile 1 or pile 3, feel free to do so. And big up yourselves as we celebrate 1000 intuitive tea sippers in the building. Yay! So, much love and blessings from your Auntie T, and see you on the next one. Wagwan. Wagwan people, Wagwan tea sippers, Wagwan me generals. So we have pile 3, and we're exploring blunt AF, their exact thoughts and feelings for you right now. Okay, so we're gonna see what wants to come through for pile 3. So if you are new here, big up yourselves every time. Big up yourselves every time. And to our intuitive tea sippers, our tea sipper generals, our subscribers, big up, big up, a big up, big up, big up, big up, a big up, big up, big up, big up, big up, big up, big up every time. Hey, big up and much love and blessings from your auntie T. We have some juicy messages for you today. So we're gonna see Wagwan. Wagwan is Jamaican patois and it simply means what is going on or what's up. This is what we're exploring. Okay, now the message that I received as well just before, okay, pressing record was to sing in a very kind of like slow vibey way. Okay, so I hope you've got a nice beverage or a beverage of your choice. Okay, as we gather these juicy intuitive gems, you have something that you can like sip on. Okay, I'm sipping on red bush tea and some water. Okay, so let us know what you are sipping on or where you are watching from around the world. Okay, I'm always amazed from all the different locations and the different age groups as well. It's just an honor. So big up every time. And if you haven't done so already, please like, subscribe, share, and comment down below. Okay? Love to engage with you all. So much love. Right. We're going to channel that song, okay? The words that was coming through, okay? And it is, okay? Tell me Wagwan, tell me Wagwan, okay? Blunt AF, blunt AF. Tell me Wagwan, tell me Wagwan, blunt AF, blunt AF. So tell me Wagwan, tell me what's going on. Tell me what's going on, okay? Blunt AF. So we can sing it together, okay? Love creating jingles, but sometimes those jingles just flow. And it's kind of a, we like to use words, power, okay? Words, there's the saying, words and power, okay? You know, words, intuitive power, okay? At Wagwan Tarot and song, that's it. Song, music, words, and power. Music, words. So we use the energy of the vibrant energy of song to help with, like, it really, it brings out the energy out. Okay, okay. So we're gonna sing. Okay, get the rhythm, get that beat. A, get the rhythm. A, get the beat. A. See, it's you know you have. It's like tarot entertainment at Wagwan Tarot and TA with the Caribbean flavors in the building. Yeah. Okay. Tell me Wagwan, tell me Wagwan. Ooh, oh no, we start again. Blunt F, blunt AF, blunt A. Can't say the word. Hey, blunt AF, blunt AF. Ooh, tell me Wagwan, 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 blunt AF. Blunt AF, yeah, blunt AF. We're bringing that energy. Blunt A. You can say it with me. We channel blunt AF. Tell me Wagwan, tell me Wagwan, tell me Wagwan. Tell me Wagwan, tell me Wagwan, Wagwan. Hey, all right. Power free. We got some. Ooh, I can feel that energy. Like it's like it's like saying I want to burst out, full of flavor. Keep it clean and classy. Let you do the pondering and the wondering. So power free. We're gonna see Wagwan. There's a lot of juicy messages in store. Here again, there's the energy of the star that came through. The energy of the star. Okay, we could have some divine messages coming through, the universe messages coming through. Perhaps this person sees you as a star. Behind this, we also have want. They want. So there's again the energy of want and desire is here. Want and desire. Okay. Ooh la la. So the message that we got from the Timeless Reflections deck is preparing words and preparing what to say when we do talk. This person wants to talk. This person wants to. It could be also messages of growth, because what came through again is say to pay attention to number 3. Number 3 represents the energy of growth, expansion. It's the energy of the Empress, okay, in the tarot deck. Okay, it's the energy of fertility, things growing, things blossoming. Okay, now with this message about wanting to talk, this person's trying to come together with their thought process. Again, they want something to develop from this conversation. Okay. Ooh la la. Now before we go into what how they view you and what they tell others, okay, because we are focusing on heavily on what they tell others and what they focus on, okay, and where their current energy is. We're going to just pull out some messages from what's the T deck and see what wants to come through here. Okay, so challenging for pile 3, we had that energy that came through. Tell me why Gwan, tell me why Gwan, blunt AF, blunt AF. Okay, the exact thoughts and feelings for you right now. Okay, let's see, just reveal the messages the collective need to see. Ooh, reveal those messages the collective need to see. Okay, last shuffle. Last shuffle. Thank you. So we have some interesting ones here, collective. Okay. Auntie T may need to come through. Okay. With some messages of her own. Right. So we have on blast. Outing personal info. Being called out. Public humiliation. Perhaps this someone could be of fear of this. Okay. Perhaps this may have happened. Okay. Or it's the fear of, like, maybe they might want to keep things on, what the word is, like, maybe discreet. Okay. Until they're sure and know exactly what things are exclusive. Okay. We have trolling, intentionally causing upset, baiting a reaction, provoking disputes. We have some interesting cards coming through. Okay, again, we are focusing on what they tell others as well. So perhaps it could be a fear of expressing their feelings, okay, or their feelings being seen. Okay, we just had the little phone bars. Now, when we get the phone bars, okay, it's usually a sign, okay, of how I connect with those intuitive gems. That there could be some energy about the people around them. It feels like they may not have a safe space, okay, or there's a fear of being what's coming through is there's a fear of someone feeling like seen as a simp. Again, take it where it resonates, but it feels like someone has a fear of like being seen as someone who genuinely does have an interest, okay, for whatever reason. We have inner lights. This is the energy of, like, the hermit mode, really tapping into oneself and asking yourself, why do I do this? Soul searching, finding the true self, living consciously. Okay, we have my boo. So look at this, you see, look at pay attention to what's going on here. It feels very much like someone is in the fear of, maybe being seen to show this romantic side to themselves. And look, official status, exclusive relationship, seeing each other openly. Okay. We have SOS, distress, act with urgency, assistance needed. Oh la la, hands off, territorial lover, staking claims, scaring off the competition. Now it feels like there could be more than one scenario. The message is that's coming through is in pile 1 there was this energy of, like, someone maybe, like, in the circle, friendship circle, being jealous and trying to sabotage, okay, because they have an interest for you, okay. If it does resonate, put it in the comments down below. We have slay, succeeding on point, and I'm gonna say that another way of saying that, because you know, YouTube doesn't like those kind of words. So succeeding on point and slaying, dominating the competition. You know, looking good, feeling good. It feels very much like this is what this person's attracted to, they're drawn to, and they're like, ooh la la, okay, you are slaying, honey. Yes, yes, okay. Again, it could, you see those flowers again representing the energy of growth and expansion. Empress energy, it's giving Empress energy, okay, it's giving Empress energy. So we have backtracking, regression, revisiting the past, going back on something. Now it feels like it's more than one story here, more than one scenario here. We have the energy of petty, immature, small-minded, insignificant drama. Again, we saw this energy of like maybe someone being fearful of their feelings or how they come across. We have limitations, breaking point, overwhelmed, last straw. Okay, zero. Okay, zero F's. Okay, so disregard, unfazed and unbothered, carefree. Not today. Left on read. Not in the mood. Avoidance. Again, someone's trying to prepare what to say when you do talk. There's energy of wanting to talk, but we have, look, manipulation, gaslighting, and scare tactics. Again, it feels like there's more than one story here. We have fake friends. So again, could be a third party situation going on. Two-faced, hidden intentions. Okay, the frenemy. Penny pinching, perhaps financial. There could be some maybe financial situations going on here. Financial struggles, saving up, budgeting. But we also have body shaming, low self-worth, negative body image, feeling judged. Perhaps it could be their outfits. Perhaps it could be something to do with low self-esteem. We're going to look into the chakras as well. We have a fugo, okay, chemistry, intense passion, and things heating up, okay. And supersize me, doing too much, excessive, overindulgence, okay. And we have high vibing, good vibes, living to the fullest, enjoying the presence. So we've got quite a bit of a mixed bag going on here, okay. A bit of a mixed bag going on here. Any more? Let's just have a look. Any more? Any more messages? We have, yes, we have someone's deep in their feelings, but it's like self-limiting, feeling inadequate, fearing failure. Okay, so someone's definitely feeling some type of way, because we have here all the feels, deep love, soul connection, and feeling at home. Okay, and we have sorry but not sorry. There's an energy of unremorseful, avoiding accountability, neglecting responsibility. So we're gonna have a look and see, okay, why all of this kind of like, again, feels like a mixed bag of energy coming through. Let's start with the accountability deck. Let's see what's going on here. Okay, why is this person preparing their words and what they want to say? Why are they preparing their words on what they want to say? Why are they preparing their words? Why are they preparing their words? Okay, I'm going to take that one as well. Ooh, okay, we take that. Any more? Again, it feels like this last shuffle. It feels like there is a lot of messages here. Collective. Perhaps why we're seeing so many different messages here. So let's have a look and see. coming up here, we have, I strive to understand your feelings and experiences during our time together. I want to hear your perspective and values so we can understand each other. Okay? I hope for a respectful dialogue where we can share our truths without fear. Okay? While we're on that note, we're going to take a sip, okay? Because I can see it's going to be, we're in for a ride with this read. So let's just take a sip at this moment. Okay, I've got my red bush. I'm going to sip on some red bush. I like to make it quite strong. 2 tea bags. Let us know what you're sipping on. Put it in the comments down below. Okay, so I express regret for not communicating better during our time together. So it could be someone from the past. Okay, maybe there have been some petty behaviors that has revealed itself. Okay, maybe someone wants to try and put it in words, but maybe not sure. Maybe they haven't, this person may not always been good with words or knowing what to say at the right time. We have, my focus is on making positive changes in myself rather than placing blame. So I think we saw this for pile 1 as well. This energy about maybe not taking accountability, trying to, again, there could have been some mind games there why we see this, okay? We have, if we can't be together, I wish for respectful closure so we can both move on. So it's definitely someone from the past. There's a strong past energy here. I'm focused on becoming a more emotionally intelligent person. Okay? I acknowledge that our separation has been painful for both of us. So it's definitely past energy. I embrace change as necessary parts of life and relationships. I make time for self-reflection to understand my emotions better. So it feels very much like someone who showed a level of immaturity when it came I don't know what I was trying to say, when it came to showing and expressing their relationships. Maybe someone's name is called Kemp. No. It just kept wanting to say Kemp. I keep wanting. The message. Let's rewind. The message. It just gets like Kemp. Kemp. So I accept full responsibility for how I approach any future interactions with you. So someone's accepting. It feels like there's energy of someone wising up. I commit to continuous growth, both personally in any future relationship. Again, we ask you to trust your intuition, use your discernment. It does feel like it could be like a very strong past energy where there was a lot of back and forth, tit for tat. Okay, because we do have the petty, backtracking, mind games, okay. Even maybe something to do with finances as well. Okay, and we also had just kind of a lot of we'll call it low vibrational, okay, energy. I appreciate that we both have individual journeys that shape who we are. I understand that forgiveness is important, but it must come naturally. Being apart has allowed me to see things from a different perspective. I seek clarity on where we both stand before making any decisions. I recognize the importance of self-care for both of us to thrive individually. I value your perspective and want to understand how you feel about our past. So it's definitely strong past energy. Okay, late at night I envision constructive conversations that both help us heal. So it could be someone who's trying to recollect, try to go over. it feels maybe there could have been like a situation where maybe you both had to seek closure from your both like your side, like from your side on an individual scale. I realize I have limitations and I'm working on addressing them. If given the chance, I want to apologize sincerely without expecting forgiveness. I share my insights on what makes a relationship healthy based on my experiences with you. Okay, now it feels very much again about healthy relationships. Okay, we're gonna look at the Jamaican proverbs and then pull out self-love as well. In quiet moments, I confront my emotions and their validity. Okay, I hope for a future where we can interact in a healthier way, regardless of our status. Now, really trust your intuition, use your discernment. That's why it was felt drawn like, oh, we're going to have to like sing to help extract some of this information. Because it feels very much like there may have been some, again, low vibrational, okay, energy. As we say, trust your intuition and use your discernment. But if it's giving low vibrational, unhealthy, what we say, bun that, okay? Jamaican culture, bun that. That's, let that go. Bun that. Bun that. Bun it. Like, bun that. Like, let it go. Let it go. It's not worth your time. It's not worth your energy. It's not worth your peace. Okay? I want to celebrate your successes, whether we end up together or not. Because it feels very much like it's a past energy where there's still this energy of like manipulative energy of vibe coming through, like someone who wants to appear or present or package themselves like there is growth, but there isn't really growth. It's like what's coming through is like read between the lines. Read between the lines. Perhaps this person likes to present themselves as the star, as the golden person, as the person who likes to present themselves in that way where they're the victim. That's what's coming through. Just take it where it resonates. Okay, because we also have wants and desires, okay? But is it what you need? Let's have a look at a Jamaican proverb. This has been quite an interesting read, right? Hey! Oh, we have quite a few here. We have a few, well, a couple. We have when beggar. So when a beggar begs from another beggar, they never get rich. So this is going back to if a lack mentality goes to another lack mentality, all it is, it's still minus. Okay, it's still gonna give like a there's not gonna be no growth there because it's still lack. Okay, it doesn't end up being a positive. So be mindful of your circle, your mindset, and who you hang around. Energy attracts energy. Okay, so when beggar beg from beggar, him never get rich. Him never get rich. No, him never get rich. Meaning they won't get rich because there's a lack energy. Okay, and we have every best friend have a best friend. So if again third party here, okay, maybe sharing things here, we are focusing on what they tell others as well. So perhaps this is why it's coming through, but it feels like it could also be mindful of what has been shared, because maybe this person may have had a tendency of oversharing. Okay, so be mindful that friendships and friendships and discussions with others. Again, we did see that energy, and maybe there could have been someone trying to sabotage the connection, maybe in like a third party interest. Okay, let's have a look at. We're going to have a look now at the this deck and then move on to the self-love one. So preparing words, okay? I'm preparing what to say when we do talk. Let's see what they tell others. She's always seeking growth and self-improvement, which motivates me too. I love how she's always there for the people she cares about. Her sense of humor is one of my favorite things about her. She's got this unspoken strength that is incredibly inspiring. Her patience and understanding have taught me so much about love and relationships. So we have that word patience. That word has come up in either Power 2 or Power 1 as well. This energy of like growth, okay? But the need for growth, the need to be a more understanding, the need to be more appreciative, okay? Seeing things from more than one perspective, okay? Every moment with her feels meaningful and profound. Her laughter is infectious. It lights up my entire day. She has this quiet confidence that is incredibly attractive. Right. Let's pull out the self-love message. What do you need to see right now? Let's see what you need to see right now. Blunt AF. The exact thoughts and feelings for you. But what do you need to see right now? What do you need to see right now? We have honor your emotions and express them freely. Honor your emotions and express them freely. And we have seen like an energy of like repressed, like it's not being, it's like hidden, or instead of like revealing it, it's like revealing itself through like tit for tat energy. Anything else you need to see? Anything else? Anything else? Something trying to come through. Yes, we have celebrate your strengths and your accomplishments. And your accomplishments. Okay, now let's move on to the tarot and see what the tarot wants you to know. What's going on here? What's going on here? Blunt AF. Tell me what, Gwan. Okay, tell me what's going on. Blunt AF. Okay, look at that. We see the Ace of Cups and we see the Page of Swords. So the Ace of Cups in the reverse and the Page of Swords. This is giving like tit for tat energy, okay? It's kind of giving this energy of like someone watching, kind of like watching energy, and but it could also be looking back and still like not happy with maybe the end result, maybe still wanting to see how whether they still can have that what's coming through, still have their way. Again, the energy of want. And we have the eight of wands in the reverse. Okay, so again there's a delay energy, but look what we have again. There's a manipulative energy with the King of Swords in the reverse. When the King of Swords is in this position, okay, especially with the cards that we see, we can see it's like how they operate. There's an energy of operating with love as if it is like something that can like a pawn that can be tapped on, tapped off when at their convenience. Again, the energy of want. Okay, but look what we have here. We have the Chariot. The Chariot represents the energy of the Cancer, the energy of feelings, but it's kind of like with behind this Page of Swords. Okay, behind the Page of Swords, it's kind of representing this energy of like this person can be forthcoming with their feelings, but it's like they see their feelings like it's a game. And again, trust your intuition, use your discernment, because look at that, we have the Four of Swords. Someone may think about you quite late at night, okay, and again trying to contemplate. But look what we have again. We've seen two pages so far, Page of Cups and the Page of Swords, okay, and we saw the King of Cups in the reverse. So this is telling us that there is a very much a petty, immature level on how they deal with things, okay, and perhaps they may seek validation from others Okay, again, validation where it doesn't need validation, and or it could be again the fear of being seen, to be showing their romantic, to be showing that side of them. Okay, because look, there's a missed opportunity with the Ace of Pentacles if they keep playing around or not being honest here. We're gonna pull out the hidden truths. Let's see what the hidden truths want you to see right now. Let's see what's going on here. Reveal the messages the collective need to see for pile 3. For pile 3. Oh, yes. Last shuffle. Got quite a few messages here. Okay, thank you. We've got quite a few messages here, collective. Let's take our second sip, because, boy, let's take a sip. I'm going to sip on some water now. I'm going to sip on some water. Okay. While we take our little community sip, so we can stay hydrated and allow those messages to flow. You and I were too young. You and I were too young. So we're getting some energy coming through now. Okay, it could be something to do with someone from the way back, someone from the past. It could be someone looking at their attitudes to how they dealt with things. Okay, immaturity levels again, young. Okay, I feel like young may have came through. May have for pile 2, I think. I want to be more than friends. I want to be more than friends. I'm grateful for the spiritual lesson, so they may see it as a spiritual lesson. Okay, I don't react when people mention you. Now we see this is not the truth. This is not the truth. They try to appear not to. Okay, I want to feel that way again. I know I messed up everything. Finding out the truth crushed me. I'm afraid to contact you. Now, if you care to share, put it in the comments down below. But it feels like there's a lot of scenarios going on here. We need to let each other go. Again, we see that Page of Swords, maybe looking at social media, wanting to try and make contact or trying to figure out ways or make contact with mutual connections. Again, trust your intuition, and if something don't feel right, trust and believe it. I remember every detail of that day, so there's something significant about maybe the last time they saw you. I hide behind material things. Okay, I feel you, and that's maybe why we could see the energy of finance and money here. I feel you even though we are apart. I wish I could take back my words. I hid who I really am from you. Let's see what's going on with their chakras. Let's see what's going on with their chakras. What's going on with their chakras? Again, take the messages that resonate and leave the rest, okay? We have, again, there's a look out of chaos. So there's like an energy of like they need a chakra balance. There's a lot of chakras that are out of sync, okay? Could we have Amazonite, Carnelian, Peach Moonstone. Hope you can see that. See if we can get that clarity. Red Jasper as like crystals that you can use to help just hold on to them and meditate with them. But we have, okay, so let's call this the root chakra. Yeah, the root chakra. With this color, the root chakra, representing the energy of our upbringing, what we learned, what we saw, okay, how we communicate, okay. But in terms of like all of the it's representing all of the chakras. But we have the throat chakra. The throat chakra is the communication. Communication. So communication has been something of a struggle. It feels like it's been like a very strenuous. Okay. We have creativity. Use creativity to transform your pain into positivity. And we have the truth. Be honest. Be real. Okay, tell them how you feel. Speak from your heart. It is the only thing worth listening to. The throat chakra. Okay, throat chakra. And we have two crystals here, Amazonite, okay, and turquoise. So by not saying how they truly feel and what they want, what they desire, is now created an imbalance with all of their chakras, okay? And the chakras represent all of those energy fields in the body, okay? It's all over the place. And we can kind of see why from the what's the tea cards, that there was this all over the place kind of energy, okay? By not being truthful, by not being honest, it's kind of resulted to, we'll call this person John being a bit all over the place. Okay, again, it could be from fears, it could be feelings of like maybe past abandonment or rejection, and or fear, or from like maybe their peers, to be like, oh wow, you like you're into Jane, although they could be into Jane, like have an interest in you as well, but try to almost, the word that's coming on, it's like really try to diminish or make it out like it's something bad, when actually it's like just getting to know someone. Like, what is wrong with that, as long as the intentions are genuine, okay? Ooh la la, let's have a look at the intentions. Let's see what the intentions want to tell you about their exact thoughts and feelings. But what we can see is there's an energy of like, it could be that they talk to someone like a confidant, okay, somebody that they may trust, okay, but it feels like they also have people in and I can see 3 currently on the clock, that they could be very protective of who they tell, because for past experiences where they have been mocked, okay. Yes, we have mutual friends. Look, mutual friends are influencing the perception of you. Okay, it almost feels like a personal read here. Slow progress. They believe in taking things slowly to build a strong foundation. And we have waiting for a sign. They are waiting for a sign from you before making any contact anymore. Blunt AF. Their true feelings, but their exact thoughts and feelings for you right now. Okay. Reveal what the collective, yes, we see hidden intentions. Their true intentions are not clear yet, so they might be hiding something. Again, not revealing those true feelings anymore. Last shuffle. Yes, we have building trust. They want to build trust and lay a strong foundation for a lasting relationship. Okay, again, take it where it resonates. And we have unfinished business. There is unfinished business between you that they want. That, look again. Now, if you hear and you hear woy oy oy, it's basically just a way of how I connect with those intuitive downloads, and it's kind of like, it's basically like a Jamaican way of saying whoa, okay, wow, like whoa, like is it wow, like whoa, okay, woy oy, okay, and it's equivalent to oh my gosh, okay, oh my gosh. Do you see that? They want. There's an energy of want. But then how they operate that want is a different kettle of fish. Different kettle of fish, just simply meaning it's not the way that it's a different aspect, a different way of looking at something, but it doesn't necessarily mean it may get them what they do actually want. Okay, let's see regarding the last time they saw you, because there's something, it says something to do with a day, that there was a day. Let's see what was significant. Yes, here it is. I remember every detail of that day. We're going to use the storytelling cards and see what wants to come through regarding that day. Message regarding that day. What do you have for the collective regarding that day? Ooh. We have this energy of like some like ship sailing. Okay. We have like, look, this is all like water representing feelings. Okay. But we have feelings, and there's still an energy of like padlock. Where's the key to that padlock? So not really being honest. Not, again, there's an energy of not, maybe not not saying everything that they really wanted to say. Now it's created a lot of like late night thoughts, perhaps some feelings of like anxiousness of wanting to say what they really wanted to say. Do you see all these deep blues, again representing the throat chakra? Okay, and it feels very much like they wish that they could have like patched things. And again, this could be several cycles. It feels like this could be someone there's been history with. And again, maybe talking to someone, okay, confiding, wishing that they had you, and maybe wishing that they could say it to you, say it to your face, okay, passing messages. But maybe some of the messages got misconstrued somewhere, okay. Fishes represent fertility and growth. Again, they're back to the energy of the Empress. Perhaps this is what they wanted, things to grow, things to blossom from these feelings, okay. But again, it's this energy of needing to be open. Where's the key to that padlock? Okay. Let's see if there was anything significant on that day as well. Anything significant on that day. We've got like clothes items or just any kind of item. Anything was significant on that day that wants to reveal itself. We have skirts, perhaps using a skirt, or maybe they were attracted to what you was wearing. Okay, you look good. You look good. You look mighty fine, girl. We have dress. Okay, again, the energy that's saying you was dressed to slay. Gloves. And we have pants. Okay, anything else? We got some, maybe it was like some fancy socks, or maybe something was like, maybe it was paying attention to these little details. We have cap, or it could be the colors. Maybe something significant with the colors. T-shirts. We've got slippers, and we have shirts. Could be the color. We do have a lot of blues. Yeah, last shuffle. And we have swimsuit. So that last time they saw you, with the swimsuit being here, it feels like the swimsuit again was repping those deep feelings. Those deep feelings were coming through. And perhaps they didn't know what to do. They didn't know what to do with it. Let's have a look at their feelings for you, deck, and see what wants to come through for the collective. Again, take the messages that resonate and leave the rest. It feels like there is like a personal dive in this read. But again, trust and believe, you know. If you've seen, you know, things that you don't like and you're like, well, trust and believe. Trust and believe. Okay. Remember, your Auntie T told you so. You know? Trust and believe. If something don't feel right. If something, last shuffle. Something was trying to come through. Last shuffle. Thank you. There it is. Look at that one. Look what was trying to come through. I didn't realize what I had until it was gone. There's a lot of deep reflective energy. Again, when you play silly games, you win silly prizes. Okay? And you can double size those silly prizes as well. Do you want it supersized? Okay? Do you want it super? Okay, here you go. Here's your supersized silly prize. Okay? I didn't realize what I had until it gone. Till it gone. Okay? Now it's like, again, thinking about you. Look at that. Going back to what, didn't we see that? The once. Where's the star? There, star and once. Look at that. Now wishing on a star. Wondering where you are. I'm frustrated with how things are going. I feel like we were meant to be more than just friends, okay? Maybe it could have been a friend or someone wanted to be more than friends, but then again, it's like, okay, what are you doing? Are you serious? Are you, like, because we see a lot of page energy, okay? Now the pages represents like the lowest kind of like, or the youngest energy when it comes to like in the physical form, okay? Human form, okay? So or this now is kind of like giving more, you know, you're moving like a page, like sorry boo, but I'm looking for a king here, moving, king energy to my empress energy. What are you saying? What's your view on marriage and starting a family? That is my aim in the near future. I want to work things out between us. I need to confess something important to you. I hope you'll find it in your heart to forgive me. I'm trying to find a way to show you how much you mean to me. I want to make up for lost time with you. I love seeing you walk. So it could be maybe you was wearing something, that was like, damn, she, keep it clean and classy. Let you do the pondering and the wondering. I'm scared of committing, but I want to try with you. Okay? I'm scared that I'll hurt you again. Okay? Could be again, they're scared that they'll hurt themselves again. But again, trust and believe. But someone is looking back. Looking back. Look at that. Looking back. Looking back at everything. I wish I could tell you everything on my mind. I haven't seen the best in relationships. Again, see that root chakra coming through, and I've been hurt in the past, but I still believe in love. I have the hots for you. Yeah, we can tell. Okay, that's why we got to leave you to do the pondering and wondering. Let your imagination run wild. Okay, I have the hots for you and think about you late at night. Late at night, I think about you and the things you do. It drives me wild. It makes me stay up all night thinking about you. Touching myself, thinking about you. Okay, keep it clean and classy. But this person, there was a clue there in the channeled song. Okay, someone, they like to, ooh la la, keep it clean and classy. Oh, you see, it's coming through. I'm sorry for not prioritizing you when I should have. Okay? I'm trying to overcome my fears of commitment. So there's a deep fear of commitment. Okay, let's see why they have a deep fear of commitment. Let's see why they have a deep fear of commitment. we are going to pull out the shadow healing. Let's have a look and see why they have a deep fear. Why do they have a deep fear of commitment? Why do we see this deep fear of commitment and this kind of staying in like a almost like an immature energy? What's going on here? Ooh, we have couple that want to show itself. So we have the energy of deception here. Deception can have long-term effects on a person's soul. However, we need to be more careful about those we place our trust in. Not everyone deserves this respect. Stunned. That moment when time stands still as you try to make sense of what has occurred. This is a golden moment to plan your next move rather than react to the situation. We have the energy of confused. The chaos accompanying the confusion seems misguided. However, the others are too embroiled in the situation to see clearly. You will need to make it simpler. Okay, I'm going to see what this intuitive finger wants to pull. We have delay. This came through for pile 2. Not everything has to happen now, and that's the energy of that chariot, the chariot energy that we saw. And taking time to consider the outcome can be beneficial. However, delaying won't fix anything, as nothing will change. Anything else you need to see? Anything else you need to see? Blunt AF, okay? Yes, we have defeated. So there's a strong self-sabotaging energy here. Down does not mean out. It just means taking a breather and rallying the energy to give it another go. Just do it differently next time because the other way didn't work. Okay? So, go back to the feelings for you. So we're looking at their exact thoughts and feelings. Blunt AF. I ghosted you because I was fearful of being hurt, and now I've hurt you and myself in the process. I'm sorry. I am sorry. I wish I had prioritized our connection more. I deeply apologize for my actions and words. I miss you more than words can say. Again, this could, this could be anyone. So take the messages where it resonates and leave the rest. But trust your intuition. Use your discernment. Okay, if this has been patterns, trust and believe it. I want to surprise you with something special. I believe we can make this work. I still remember the smell of your perfume. So it could be something very significant, okay, that they remember: items, clothing, perfume. I'm sorry for the pain, any pain I've caused you. It is time to set some roots. Will you join me? I want to be honest about my feelings for you. I feel like we have unfinished business. This has come through again. It was in the intentions, okay? But does this, again, trust and believe? Perhaps, again, this person, we have this energy of like deception, delay, someone maybe like, because they don't deal with their emotions, don't deal with their feelings. It's a way to try and bring you in, because maybe they kind of gave you a little insight, and just be mindful, trust your intuition. Okay, again, it could be that, again, playing games energy. I'm confused about where we stand. I know that a good egg can go. So this person knows that you are of like an aura, vibe, quality, energy, okay, Empress energy. And perhaps again they may have noticed or sensed that you have this very strong intuitive power, but also that power to show empathy. And it can also maybe be alluring to this person. I'm ready to settle down with you. I want us to grow and evolve together. We may have many differences, but I know a good thing when I see it. I'm keen to get to know you more. My awkwardness has been getting in the way of saying how I really feel. I'm hoping you'll give me another chance. Let's see what you need to hear right now. Let's see what you need to hear right now. So we are going to pull from the angel deck. I'm going to see what you need to hear right now. What do you need to hear right now? Blunt AF. Blunt AF. What do you need to hear right now? Whoa. Look, 555. 5 represents change. It's kind of giving this energy of new. Okay. Clarity. Great transformation. Major changes. Opportunity. Fast-paced. Forward process. You aren't a victim of circumstance. Rather, you are the beneficiary of it. So if that weren't the case, life would be pretty dull. You will set yourself up for success in the long run if you are willing to adapt to this shift. Everything is working out for the best at long last. You are accomplishing what you set out to do. Everything will work out perfectly in the end. And let's see what this person, okay, that's coming through in this read needs to hear, okay? So if they were going to watch it to try and find, like, just maybe see how you're feeling. Let's see what they need to hear. Let's see what they need to hear. Look at that. We've got 666, the energy of harmony and sitting with that balance. Love, affection, compassion, kindness, attention, self-love. Several unexpected developments will enter your life and impact how you feel. Again, we saw that strong energy of deep emotions and learning how to deal and regulate our feelings. Okay? This is a chance to reevaluate your identity. You need a mental shift towards greater optimism and self-assurance and trust. Put your faith in your gut and inner voice. Pay attention to your feelings and use them to help you to become a better person. So we're going to leave it here, but we're going to leave you with a bonus message from the self-love deck. One more self-love message for the collective. Take the message where it resonates and leave the rest. Oh, we had, okay, needed to hear more than one. We've got 3. Look at this, 3. What a great way to end. 3 messages. It is okay to put yourself first sometimes. It's okay. Healing is a process. So be patient with yourself. Someone really needs to hear this message. And take time. Take time to connect with your inner self daily. Okay? So, collective, take the messages that resonate and leave the rest, okay? Leave the rest, just leave it, okay? Aside go. Aside go is Jamaican patois, and it simply means this is how it goes. We just take what resonate and leave the rest. But if you feel drawn to have a look at pile 1 or pile 2, feel free to do so, okay? I hope you've enjoyed all the reads, okay? And just take what resonates. That's all, okay? So be sure to look good, feel good. It raises your vibration, your frequency, okay? And know that you are a star, okay? A beautiful one at that, okay? And do have a look at all of our readings at Gwan, Tarot and Tea. Much love and blessings from your auntie, your Jamaican auntie at that, your favorite one, Auntie T. Big up, big up, big up, hey, big up, big up, big up, big up, hey, big up, hey, big up yourself, big up yourself, hey, big up yourself, hey, big up yourself, hey, big up yourself, hey, big up yourself, big up, big up, big up, big up, big up, big up, every time. Okay, show that love to yourself, okay? Show that love to yourself. And big up yourself. And we'll see you on the next one. Wa Gwan.